Hey folks, little quick video here. You're gonna have to do a little research on your own. I'm just telling you that now. So I don't want to waste anybody's time or have anybody hurt feelings, but the information that's readily available to us on the internet is the best way to go if you want to educate yourself on what I'm about to talk about. And what I am about to talk about is honeybee. Ooh, I got too crunk. Honeybee Propolis. So if you start looking it up, you just want to check out Bee Propolis. And the tincture is just one way that it's applied. So in this situation, the propolis is mixed with a high grain alcohol, or a high, what would you call it? It's a high proof alcohol, I guess. And it melts or dissolves the propolis and makes it easier to be administered, is what this is. But you can get it in a paste, sprays. This little one is just like a little spray. Undo my thing. Yeah, see, it's got a little spray top on it. But this stuff is crazy awesome, and bees use it to seal up parts of their hives. So they take their stuff that they chew up from different plants and their saliva, and like extrude this stuff to fill in little cracks and stuff so things can't get into their hives. But this stuff is like antifungal, antiviral, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, fungal. Like it does everything. It's crazy how well this stuff works. I don't know if it affects people with bee allergies or not. Like, that's when I said you guys need to do your due diligence and educate yourself on the Bee Propolis. But you can get it in a whole bunch of different ways: paste, sprays. This is in a little roller bottle, and it applied like that. Again, it is alcohol, so it smells like a shot of liquor. But it is crazy awesome at healing wounds or making rashes go away. Like I told Mr. Jim, the guy that owns Hardin Hill Honey, that if you want something that heals you better than this stuff, you got to go to Jesus, because I hadn't found anything better than this, and it works super well, and it has the ability to be administered a whole bunch of different ways, and it's worth looking into for everybody, really. Cuts and scrapes and bumps and stuff happens, especially if you're doing things. I mean, you're gonna cut yourself, scrape yourself. If you don't get cuts and scrapes, don't be commenting on my videos, because I ain't gonna listen to you. But I'm just playing. If you comment, if you want to, all the comments help the algorithm, so I appreciate them all, even if you are sad at me or whatever. But Bee Propolis, check that stuff out, and it may be a viable option for first aid stuff, just to have. Check it out. It's worth reading and educating yourself on it. I mean, it works. You can check out the Hardin Hill Honeys. I think he has a website, Hardin Hill Honey. Bet he does. If not, you can give it the Google foo, Hardin Hill Honey. He's located in Watkinsville, Georgia. He's got like 1 million bees at Georgia Bushcraft. It's pretty awesome. And he's extremely knowledgeable about bees. He takes hives has hives taken all over the United States at different times during different blooming seasons, in order for bees to get different flavored flowers and make honey out of it. It's pretty awesome. Like, you can get super deep into the bee world. But he's at Georgia Bushcraft in the fall, if you ever come to scope him out. I don't know how one goes about buying Bee Propolis, that's something else that you're going to have to look at. You know, I'm sure there's probably some sort of red tape or fine print on this stuff, but if you can get it, it's worth trying. It's pretty awesome stuff. Anyway, I just wanted to shoot a quick video. I was talking to somebody about some propolis, and this was the easiest way for me to explain it, and I'll just share it with everybody too. Thanks for all the support. Feel free to like and subscribe. Follow us along on Instagram at Bushcraft Kelso. All of our older stuff is at Bushcraft Kelso on Instagram. Bushcraftkelso.com for gizmos and gadgets. Y'all have a good holiday weekend. Be safe. Later.